In our raster path analysis demonstration, we'll route the most level path across Sunset Valley from the northwest corner to the southeast corner, and somewhere along our path we'll also identify a scenic overlook. We'll begin by setting up the demo. First, you'll open a new ArcGIS Pro project named demo_3-3 in the demo folder. Then you'll add the DEM or digital elevation model from our intermediate demo data geodatabase. Last, we'll symbolize the DEM with the elevation number 3 color scheme. We'll start on our Windows desktop, where we'll open up ArcGIS Pro. In the ArcGIS Pro opening screen, go ahead and click on Map to create a new map project. And then from the bottom to the top in the new project window, we'll create a folder for the local project. I'm going to go ahead and browse for the location in my course folder and select the demos folder and click OK. And then I'll name my project demo_3-3. Go ahead and click OK. Of course, this creates my new ArcGIS Pro project. Go ahead and maximize ArcGIS Pro. I need to add some data. So in the databases section in the catalog window, I'm going to right click on databases and select add database. And then I'll add our intermediate demo data geodatabase, expand that, and I'm going to use the DEM raster data set. So I'll add that to my map view. All right, there you can see the DEM, and if I turn it off, you can see that it's covering Sunset Valley. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my base maps and then select my raster layer, and on the context sensitive raster layer ribbon, click on the symbology button. And in the symbology pane, I'm going to click on the color scheme drop down, check show names, and then scroll down till I find the color scheme elevation number 3, which shades the elevations that are at the lowest point in greens and at the highest point in tans. Now you're set up to perform your raster path analysis. In step 2, you'll create trail start and destination points and a hillshade raster. We'll begin by creating the trail start and destination feature classes and layers, and then we'll add the location for the start to the trail start feature layer and a location for the destination for the trail destination feature layer. Next, we'll use the hillshade tool and digital elevation model as input raster to create a hillshade output raster. And then last, we'll set the hillshade layer blend to soft light so we can create a shaded relief that illuminates our varied terrain in Sunset Valley. Back in ArcGIS Pro, we'll begin by activating the catalog pane and then right-clicking on our demo project file geodatabase, select New and Feature Class. This opens the Create Feature Class wizard. We'll name our new feature class as Trail_Start. Set the feature class type to Point. And then for geometric properties, make sure M and Z values are unchecked. Click Next. We're not going to add any fields, so click Next again. And then for the spatial reference, we just want to confirm that we're using the local state plane coordinate system, which is WKID 2277, and we are. Go ahead and click Finish. This creates our new Trail_Start Point feature class. And now I'm just going to right-click and select Copy, and then right-click the geodatabase and select Paste. So I can duplicate it and then go ahead and rename it. And we're going to call our second point feature class as Trail_Destination. Now I'm going to add the trail destination to our map view in our contents pane just below Trail Start. And then now I want to update the symbology. So I'm going to click on the Trail Start symbol patch and set it to square 3. And then click on the Trail Destination symbol patch and set that one to square 6. All right, now I'm ready to edit. So I need to activate the edit ribbon. and click on the Create Features button. And then I'm going to select the Trail Start feature template and add a location in the upper northwest corner. And then I'm going to select the Trail Destination feature template and add a location in the southeast corner. Go ahead and clear this selection. Close the Create Features pane and save your edits. All right, there you can see the beginning and the end of the trail that we want to find the optimal path for. Go ahead and click on the Analysis ribbon and then the Tools button to open the Geoprocessing pane. In the Geoprocessing pane, I'm going to activate the Toolboxes panel and scroll down until I find Spatial Analyst Tools. Expand that. Scroll down again until I find the Surface tool set. Go ahead and expand that. And then in the Surface tool set, we're looking for the Hillshade Geoprocessing tool. Go ahead and click on that. Set the input raster as our DEM. The output raster we'll call simply Hillshade. And then we're making a cartographic hillshade, so we'll leave the default values for 315 azimuth and 45 altitude. Go ahead and click Run. And that creates our hillshade. You can see it visible as a raster dataset in our geodatabase and as a raster layer in our contents pane. Now I want to blend the hillshade and the DEM to create a shaded relief. So with the hillshade selected, I'm going to activate the raster layer, and then under Layer Blend, go down and click on Soft Light. All right, that creates a beautiful shaded relief. Go ahead and reset your ArcGIS Pro interface. Save your ArcGIS Pro project.